Hello viewers. In this project I'll be presenting to you today. It's a continuation of building project. I am very passionate about wealth creation through property. In this project, I will be talking about pillars and lintel casting, and I'll also talk about some of the things that you need to put in place prior to the project. The When you are going into continuation of your project, most especially uh, casting the pillars and also the lintels reinforcements, you're going to need iron rod, you're going to need rings, you're going to need binding wire, you're going to need a plank, you're going to need nails, you're going to need sharp sand, granite, cement, this, and also you're going to need PVC pipes for the electrical and plumbing installation. So in this particular project, the materials you will be seeing are being provided on site. This include the sand, the granite, the cement, the iron rod, as earlier mentioned. So all these materials have already been provided for on the site. So sit down and watch. Click and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the like button. The project cost will always depend on the how large your project is, but in this particular case, the at this time around, uh, the tons of iron rod that are required. First, 3 by 8 iron rod was used, half-inch iron rod was used. The 5 by 8 inch iron rod, a ton of it, and the total cost for that was 455,000 naira. The half-inch iron rod, which is half ton, cost 227,500 naira. The ring cost, in this case, the ring was 7 by 7, which is 56 dozen, at the rate of 1,800, and total cost for that was 180,000. Binding wire, 15,000. One bundle of binding wire, 15,000 naira. And you will be also make provision for transportation and workmanship for the welder. So that will be determined by your negotiation. And the next thing is requirement for the pillars and lintel casting includes 12 plank, 1 by 12 plank, which is 95 pieces, each at the rate of 2,200. The cost also depend on the time. Prices changes so frequently in the market, but as at the time this was purchased, that was the price, and a little more was added. So a little more of the plank was added because that was not enough. So that increased the total amount for the plank. So the total amount spent on plank was up to 300 and 312,000 for the plank. That is a 1 by 12 inches, 2 by 2 inches plank, 35 pieces at the rate of 550. Total amount spent on that was 19,250. And you're going to need 4 inches nail, half bag, and the price 7,250. 3 inches nail cost for half bag cost same amount, 700 and 7,250. 7,250 for both 4 inches nail and also 3 inches nail, half bag each. And you're going to consider the workmanship for the carpenter who will board the pillar and also the lintel, and also put into consideration the transportation to site. These are all that is you will need. And you can also make provisions also for any additional cost, unforeseen costs that may be incurred. Then you need a sharp sand, 2 tons of sharp sand at the rate at cost 75,000. Then granite, 20 tons of sharp sand, 250,000. Bags of cement. The total bags of cement at this time, total bag was 95,000 bags, which at the rate of 4,750, bringing the total to 418,000. And then workmanship, rent of equipment should be considered. I won't be giving you prices for rent of equipment and workmanship. That will vary from location to location. So also the PVC pipe for electrical and plumbing, 23,000. So the total spent on this particular project I'm showing you is 2.615 to approximately 2,615,000. So now you'll be watching and see all that are being done in the site. You'll see the sand, you'll see the granite, you'll see the cement, you'll see the work, how it is being done, the workmen working on the site, the iron being delivered to site. These are all the granite also delivered to site. So you can do it also. Very important. In order to create wealth, it is important that you invest in property. Property investment is a very good and lucrative one. You can build wealth through property. So I am very passionate about building wealth through property, and you can never be at a loss, most especially when you invest in property. So thanks so much. Bye for now.